Ready to start investing with one of the most respected brokerages, but worried about a lengthy application? If you think opening an account takes forever, you're not alone. Today, we're opening a Charles Schwab account in just about 3 minutes. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Let's break it down. Schwab has streamlined their online application process to be incredibly fast, especially for standard brokerage accounts. Step 1. Start the application. Go to schwab.com and click Open an account. Select Brokerage account and choose Individual if it's just for you. You'll need your social security number, driver's license, and employment information handy. Step 2. Complete the digital application. The form will ask for your personal details, financial profile, and investment objectives. Thanks to digital verification, you can often complete the entire process online without needing to mail anything. Review and submit. And that leads to my crucial pro tip. Have your funding information ready at the start. You can link your bank account during the application process. Having your bank's routing and account numbers ready lets you fund your new account immediately upon approval, shaving days off the process. So, just like that, you're ready to start investing with an industry leader. A quick account opening goes a long way in getting you started on your financial goals sooner. Now I'm curious, what type of investor are you? Active trader, long-term buy and hold, or just getting started? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments, and subscribe for more clear-cut guides like this one. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.